Hello, welcome back to Wilco Adventures. So we just boarded the ship on the Disney Wish. Here we have the deluxe ocean view stateroom with veranda. So right when you come into the room, there is one bathroom. Just has a toilet, a mirror, and it does have a second bathroom. This one just has the sink, bathtub, shower combo, but no toilet. And you have some closet space here. You have your safe down there. And then in here, you do have some more closet space, your life jackets, your standard cruise ship type things, hangers and whatnot. And then here you have the bed. It's a queen size bed. It does have power outlets on both sides. And it does say Disney Wish across the bottom. And this room is themed to Tiana. So you do have a picture of Tiana in the bayou. You have another picture over here. And then since it is in its inaugural sailings, they did gift us this nice bag. It did come in this gift bag as well. And we did get some lanyards that say Castaway K on them. Then you have a nice little setup here. You have some shelves, a giant mirror. And since we are Disney Vacation Club members, we did get a couple free goodies here on the ship. We got these lanyards, and on the front door they did gift us magnets. And we also got these as well. I believe they are pool chair covers, so you put them on the headrest to save your spot at the pool or at the on the pool deck for some chairs. And we did purchase this mug here. They were almost running out, so we purchased it so we could have it at home. And you also got the option to purchase this cooler, which we did. We figured it'd be great for waters, going filling it with drinks so we could stay hydrated when we're out in the sun. So then here we have the balcony. It's just a little veranda here. We have 2 chairs and a little bench. It does have a connecting balcony with the person next to us, but that also is our mother-in-law staying here on the ship with us. So, and it does have this nice detailing here on the seats. But that's the room.